So guys, now we are looking at how do you actually calculate or type in the rapid tags. What do you call? I'm talking about giving the tags or
Tag
keywords for
generator.
your YouTube videos, right? So go to rapidtags.io slash GENERATOR rapid tags
Generator.
generator, right? So now I just type in if your video is about say like example, give me some example, Saranya. Movie, some movie,
Rap song.
rap song. Just type in rap song, give enter. What it's going to do is it's going to tell you what are the top keywords for the rap songs.
Super,
So
wow.
rap songs, best rap song, Saranya, rap songs
Song
2009, right? So all this stuff you are researching on this, right? So it's pretty good. So it will tell you what are the top keywords, and then you can copy these keywords and put it in your video tags column. So
Yeah, right.
suppose you have the video tag. Suppose let me show you my rap song. Hold on. So rap song English. If I type that in, era rap will come somewhere here somewhere. This is my rap song. So I click on
Yeah.
this and I hold on for a second. Oh, it's. I'll have to again refresh this. Some ad may load. So I'll just hold on for a second. I'll just pause this. So now I can just go to edit video. Correct.
Yeah, right. And
Hold
go
on for
to
a
the
second.
tax column.
Yeah, the tags column. Hold on for a second. Now the edit video option will load. Correct. And then I can show where is the tags column here. So the tags column, yeah, guys, you are able to see there is something called as here the tags, right? This one, this tags, you can edit that there. So these are the tags that you can use to edit that. You can clear this and then you can put those tags in.
Yeah, right.
So pretty good. So that's how I've generated a lot of views. I think Era Rap crossed around I think 1 million views till now. So let me check the views that it got generated. So rap song English. So you see this guys, it's crossed around 1.1 million views in 1 year. So that's pretty good. That is my one of my videos, my popular videos. So anyways, so you know about rap song, right? So you know about whatever you're going to do, you're going to do digital marketing. Then what you'll type in Charina is digital marketing, right?
Yeah,
So
right.
that's pretty good. Now, how to check the rank? Rank of a particular YouTube video. In order to check a rank, go to ytrank.net. Okay, so here what you got to do is type in your YouTube URL here, copy the
paste here.
URL, and now type in the keyword what is your rank. For example, rap song English, and then it will tell you where it is being ranked. Correct, guys?
Okay.
So click on
Click on
find rank. Hold on for a second. Oh, I have to choose United States or India. That's fine. But I'm on page 2 on position 10 in US. Suppose in India, let me just find it. India, where am I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Page 1, fourth position. So I'm trending in India. Correct? So that's how rap songs will make a mark. I mean, that's how the tags or the YouTube rank will actually check, right? So either tags matters the most for this, right? So that was about finding the ranks of YouTube videos and searching for it and all this and vice versa, right? So yeah, in the next the last video, what I'm going to show you is one amazing tool, and then let's look at the thank you for taking this amazing course. I'll be telling you kind of a greeting, right? That will actually motivate you, right? That we'll see in the next video.